Discipline isn't about motivation, it's about building the right habits. Ever wonder why you start strong but give up after a few days? The secret isn't in motivation, it's in how you build discipline. And today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method that actually works. Discipline isn't something you're born with, it's a skill you grow by practicing the right habits consistently. Step 1. Start small. Pick one habit, just one. Don't overthink it. Maybe it's reading for 5 minutes or working for 20 focused minutes. Step 2, pair it with something you enjoy. Listen to your favorite music or podcast while doing it. This makes the habit feel natural. Step 3, track progress. Use a notebook or app. Seeing how far you've come keeps you motivated. Step 4, fix it in routine. Do it at the same time every day. When it's automatic, you don't need to decide anymore. Step 5, stay kind to yourself. When you mess up, don't quit. Encourage yourself. Discipline grows when you keep going, not when you expect perfection. Small steps repeated daily build the discipline that powers your success. If you're wondering which habit to start with, you can watch our previous video where I shared 7 micro habits. Pick any one habit from that list and start implementing it today. That's how you build real discipline step by step. Start with one habit, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at the change. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.